Hola amigos! It's that time of year again, New Year's resolution season, and we all have big dreams for the year ahead, but let's be honest, most resolutions don't make it past January. Pero no importa. Today I'm going to show you how to make your resolutions in Español using the future conditional tense. But first, if you're new around here, bienvenidos, yo soy Kelly, and this is Adventures in Spanish. And I've been creating and delivering fun and engaging Spanish lessons for adults and children of all ages and abilities since I moved back to the UK after an epic 20-year adventure in South America. Okay, so the future conditional is perfect for New Year's resolutions because it lets us dream big, explore possibilities and say things like, I would exercise more if I weren't so attached to my couch. So grab a pen and let's set some goals. Okay, so first let's break it down. The future conditional tense in Spanish is used to talk about hypothetical situations, possibilities, or things that you would do. Think of it as the dreamer's tense. Here's how it works for regular verbs. So take the infinitive, which is the original verb form, and add these endings. Ia, ias, ia, íamos, iais, ian. Let's try it with estudiar, to study. Yo estudiaría. Tú estudiarías. But wait, there's more. Some verbs are irregular, like tener and hacer. But don't worry, we'll tackle them as we go. Let's start our resolutions list. So I'll say each resolution in Español, explaining the meaning and show you how to use the future conditional to phrase it. Yo estudiaría más español. And this is perfect for language learners. Notice how estudiaría ends in ia. That's our future conditional clue. Yo haría más ejercicio. And hacer is an irregular verb, so we say haría instead of hacería. Yo comería más saludable. This one uses the regular verb comer. Add ia to get comería. Now it's your turn. Think about your own goals and try using the same structure. What would your New Year's resolutions be? Let me know in the comments. Okay, well let's keep building our list with some fun and practical resolutions. Yo viajaría a España. Travel goals? Yes, please. Just take viajar and add ia for viajaría. Yo aprendería a cocinar comida mexicana. Learning new skills is always a great New Year's resolution. Use aprender to learn. And voilà, aprendería. Yo tendría más paciencia. Tener is another irregular verb, so we say tendría instead of tenería. Irregular verbs keep life interesting, right? Now, why is the future conditional so great for New Year's resolutions? Well, because it lets us dream big. So you're not committing to anything yet. You're just exploring what you would do if you had the time, the motivation, or the resources. It's like saying, if everything were perfect, this is what I'd accomplish. And if you want to take it a step further, you can add conditions. Por ejemplo, yo viajaría a España si tuviera suficiente dinero. Yo comería más saludable si aprendiera a cocinar mejor. With these structures, you're building your Spanish skills and planning your best year ever. And there you have it, your New Year's resolution list in Español, powered by the future conditional tense. So whether you're dreaming of learning new skills, travelling the world, or just eating fewer donuts, this tense helps you explore all the possibilities. Now it's your turn. Write your resolutions in the comments below, in Spanish, obviously. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Spanish adventures. Feliz Año Nuevo, amigos! Hasta la próxima. Adiós!